Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how you can turn your skills into income? Have you ever sat and pondered like, I do this, how can I turn it into income? Oh, all of us, we all have that skill that people reach out to us for. Like there's just that one thing that each time someone's always going to call you to ask for advice, to ask for this. If you've been thinking about that, make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm about to show you some top secrets on how you can turn your skills into cash. Again, welcome to Grow With Me. This is your girl Melanie, and we are about to have another series of how we can make money online. So as you all know, I am just here on this page trying to see how different ways that we can make money online and all of that, and even the ones that we can make without capital. And that's what I'm about to tell you guys right now, or without heavy capital, so to say. All right, so what is that skill that you have that people reach out to you for? What is that skill that you have identified like, oh, I can turn this skill into income, but you're like, how do I do it? What is that thing that you do so well? So the first thing that we want to do is identify the skill. What is the thing that you do so well that you feel like you can use it as cash? Like, is it video editing? Is it food recipes? Is it relationship advice? Is it parenting tips? What is it? Is it even just content creation, like you tell people how they can grow their YouTube channels and things like that? What is that skill that you have? This video is to show us how we can monetize those skills. So gone are the days where we all come on YouTube and depend on the algorithm and depend on views and depend on the AdSense to give us income. Like, it's $5 for every 1,000 views, and sometimes even less, maybe $2, depending on the niche and the country where your viewers are watching from. So how much of that are you gonna make? But imagine that you had those 1,000 views where you had a skill that was monetized, a product that was monetized, that you are selling to those 1,000 viewers. Like each time somebody comes to view, the possibility is that in the 1,000 viewers, you might have about 200 or 100 or 50 who click on the link that you're selling that particular product, and they might end up being your buyers. So let's say that it's just 50 people out of your 1,000 viewers that click on that link, and you're selling this product for as low as a low ticket product. Let's even put it for $10 or $20. By 50, how much is that? So imagine how much you'll have made out of 50 subscribers or 50 viewers, which you cannot have from the YouTube AdSense of 1,000 views. So yes, it's good for us to come do our videos, but let's not depend on the algorithm to be our source of wealth. YouTube is a long-term thing. It takes time to build it, but there are other means that you can make money while being on the YouTube platform. You see a lot of creators tell you that they got monetized before they got monetized. I'm sure you might have heard that word before 1 or 2 times. It's because they came on YouTube with a product. They came on YouTube with a product, and I'm about to show you how you can make that product, how you can also monetize while willing to be monetized. So let's go back to identifying what is the skill that you are good in. Now, as you're watching this video, just take a moment, reflect on yourself. What are you good at? What are you good at? What is that thing that people are reaching out to you for? Or what is that thing that you do so well that you feel like you can put it into a product and sell it to your community, sell it to people around you, do even Facebook ads and get the leads and sell? What is it? Take a few seconds and reflect. So I'm going to be walking you through 5 steps in order to monetize your skill. So the first thing you're going to do is identify what skill you have the potential to monetize. And how are you going to identify this skill? You're going to ask yourself, what is that thing that people reach out to you for? Is it high in demand? Can I monetize it? So you're going to ask yourself these questions, and when you're able to answer those questions, what is that thing that you enjoy doing? When you're able to answer these questions, then you will have gotten the first one. You will have identified your skill. So now that you've identified your skill, the next thing you have to do is package the skill. Package it. Option one in packaging could either be to freelance it. We spoke about this in the last video, or was it the last video, last two videos, where you could freelance your skill on Upwork or Fiverr. So when you discover it, are you a content designer, are you a website builder, are you a blogger, graphic designer? Like, there are lots of things that you could be, and you could freelance those on Fiverr or Upwork. That is option one. Now option two, you can turn this into a digital product. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a link where you access how to turn your skill into a digital product. So I'm leaving you the link. The link is a link to my Stan Store. So you can get there, get the book. It's going to help you to build your digital product. So the book has step-by-step guides on how to turn your skills into a product, and how you're going to do it, where you can do it. And also on the same link that I'm going to leave you, it has different steps on how to market those products, how to market the digital products. Because the first thing is doing the digital products. The next thing now is how you're going to market it to make sure that you're getting sales. So you guys see, the first option, you're freelancing. The second option, you are turning your skills into a digital product. And you can do both, right? You can do both. You can freelance it, you can turn the skills into a digital product. You can do both if you have the time and the strength to do it. You can, yes. So now you'll be targeting different markets, because those who come on Fiverr and Upwork are going to come searching for your skill, and then those who are maybe following your ads, following your YouTube channel, following your Instagram page or your TikTok, wherever you're marketing, they're going to see that, and they're also going to purchase your digital product. So that is option two. So you package a digital product, and then you now find ways to market it. If you're a coach, offer ebooks on how they can do this. If you are skilled in finance, you can offer budgeting templates, things like that. There's just so many things. If you're a law, you can offer a guidance to advise, things that people call you sometimes for. You can just put it down, and each time they call you, okay, you go get it on Stan Store, you go get it on Shopify, and you're off the hook. You don't need to respond to the same question over and over, because you've already put it down in a digital book and you're just selling it to your audience. So that is how you're turning your audience into income. You're not waiting for YouTube to give you the views or to pay you $5 for every 1,000 miles. You're using those 1,000 views to turn them into real big money. And I want to tell you that digital products, especially the low ticketing digital products, really bring income, because it's easy for everybody to just click and get a digital product that costs maybe less than $100. If you're getting 1,000 views and 50 people from those 1,000 views are getting that book in a day or in a week, you're really making income from that. So that is how you monetize yourself before you wait for YouTube to monetize you. So when you are done packaging all these, if you're doing option two, when you're done packaging all these, you have to first of all start small. Don't put everything together, put the main things, and then as people continue to reach out to you, you continue to understand how to refine your book. You can refine the same digital book and all of that. So you just first start small, and then you're going to refine and grow and grow. And one little secret, don't sell your digital books too expensive. Make it cheap, make it affordable, so that people can easily click on it and can easily download and use it. And also make sure that you're really giving out rich information. We all know that referral is the best form of marketing. So if you're giving out rich information, your subscribers, your viewers, your audience, they are going to refer you to other people by even sharing your links. So make sure you're giving in the best that you can, and please don't make it too expensive. This is low ticketing digital products that we are talking about here. So when you are done either with option one or doing both option one and two, you need to make your online presence. Make sure that people are actually finding you, and all of this information is in my digital book. Make sure that people are actually finding you. How do you market these products? I have two digital books. I have one where I talk about how to market your products, and the other one is how to identify your skills, how to turn your skills into income. So if you click on my Stan Store link that I'm going to leave on this at the end of the video, you'll be able to find it. You can click. If you already have a digital book, then you need to know how to market it. Not necessarily, my marketing guide is not just for digital books, everything marketing. but the digital space marketing, like how you can get brands, not brands, how you can get influencers to market your book, how you can go about your ads, what are the cheaper ways to market your books and make yourself known on the online presence. Because even the best digital books are not going to sell if there is no ads. Because how are they even going to know that the books exist? You just write this beautiful book and keep it in your stand store, your Shopify, Amazon, somewhere, and you're like, oh, let me just wait, money is going to come. Girl, you're going to wait forever, because somebody needs to know to be able to buy and then tell another person. So you need to create your online presence to be able to sell these books. You need to talk about the books, just like I'm talking about mine right now. I'm telling you guys about the marketing bundle that I have. I'm telling you guys about the how to turn your skills or your subscribers into income bundle that I have. Those are books that I have, and I'm using this platform now to market those books. I'm also doing ads on Facebook. I'm also doing ads on TikTok. Those are different ways to market your books, yes, and they are turning into serious sales for me. So I know that they can turn into serious sales for every other person that is watching me right now, because they seem to be low ticket, but until you get 10 buyers in a day, that's where you know that though they are low, you're getting more income. I'm one person who believes in quick turnover. Like, we can be selling some products, maybe, for example, you and I, who is watching me right now, we can be selling the same product, and you're selling yours for $30, and I can choose to sell mine for $25. What am I looking at? Maybe the profit that you're going to make is $5 more than mine, but I'm going to sell faster than you are able to sell. And so because I'm able to quick turnover, I'll be able to make more. That's my philosophy, and I expect you all to have the same. It's not about putting very high amounts and scaring the customers away. It's about making your audience to be interested first. They look at the amount, it's friendly, good, then they buy your book next, and then you're giving them the right information. And then if they're needing coaching or guidance, please be available for that. So if any of you buy any of my bundles and you need any further information, please reach out in a comment or anything in my email and let me know that you need further information. And I'm always here to guide us, because we all are here to grow with each other. We're here to see how we can turn this digital space into income, and it's never late. There's always time for everything. Once this Holy Spirit puts it in your mind to start something, make sure you start it. And if you've watched up to this level, it's because the Holy Spirit is putting in your mind that you need to do this thing. That's why you've kept on watching, because if not, why would you not have clicked out already? So please make sure that you're thinking about what skill you have and how you can market that skill. And like I said, my bundles are going to help you so much to be able to identify your skill and how you can turn those skills into digital and turn those skills into real. Once you're marketing, you can always drop down your prices so that you get your first customer, because you need testimonials, right? We all right now live in a world where we need testimonials, how this has helped us. So once you're marketing, you can drop your price to that. And once you get your first customer and start getting sales, boom, it's time to turn that digital book into a real business. You can now step up your prices, because people now trust your content. They trust what you have written. They trust your blog if you're a blogger. They trust your services, and now they are willing to come get them more. So now you can step up your prices, but make sure that your material is still very, very rich, readable, and everybody can still access it in the best way possible. So I just hope that this video is really helping someone out there, and you've understood how you can turn your skills into income. And make sure you click on the link that I'm going to leave. Visit my stand store, get the bundle that you're interested in. Are you interested in how to market your product if you already have one, or do you want to start from identifying your skill and how to market it? So if you did enjoy this video, please leave a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. And love you guys. Until next time, have a blessed day. Bye.